Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can recover your Discord password if you have forgotten your Discord password. To find out how you can recover, make sure to watch the video till the end. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, if you are on your desktop, open any web browser that you are comfortable with and on the URL, search for discord.com. Once you press enter, you will be directly directed to this login page of Discord, and at the top right corner of your screen you will see login. Click on login, and in here a dialog box will pop up where you have to type your phone number or your email and your password. First of all, provide your email. After that, since we don't remember our password, click on forget your password just below that. Once you click on forget your password, Discord will send you an email on your Gmail. So open your Gmail and then check email on your inbox as well as on spam. So open your Gmail, and in here you will get a password reset request for Discord email. Click on there, and then here again click on reset password. Once you click on reset password, in here provide your new password. Once you're done with that, click on change password, and then as you can see you are automatically logged into your Discord account. So this is how you can recover your password on Discord. You can also follow the same procedure on your mobile device through a Discord app. Once you log out of this account, you can simply log into your currently changed Discord password. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you. To subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. We will highly appreciate that. And if you have any questions or comments regarding our video, drop them down, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you next time.